Hi everyone, I'm going to talk to you today about long breaking putts. You can see the two balls that I've left by the hole over there on the putting green. If you do a bit of practice, the putting green represents the course quite well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tee peg to where I think I need to aim for. What I've also done is I've left the tee peg short of the hole because the putt will actually speed up as it takes the break. So if we aim our first putt to the tee peg and see what happens. So you can see it gives us better distance control if we think of a target that's just before the hole, if we think the ball's going to speed up. So in terms of the grouping that we've got around the hole there, I should be able to two putt all of those. This is the grouping of the balls, which I'm quite pleased about. They're all relatively straightforward tap-ins. Just going to take the golf balls into a difficult downhill putt now, just to show you how we can make our downhill putts a lot easier. So just the same as before, I'm going to use the tee peg, but because it's a downhill putt, we want to bring the tee peg back, maybe back up. It's going to be a little bit of a left to righter, and maybe back up to around about this position here. And I'm going to imagine that it's a flat putt to that tee peg. Didn't get the tee peg quite in the right place for the break, but you can see for distance control it was absolutely perfect. So it works the other way as well. If you've got an uphill putt, then if you're putting from down here up this way, then put the tee peg beyond the hole. And when you start practicing where you think the tee peg should be on the putting green, when you go out onto the golf course, there's always different colours you can pick out. There's always areas that you can look at to say, right, where would I put my tee peg? And focus on where you think the ball should be going to tee peg wise rather than the actual hole. The break and the slope will take it towards the hole and your putting will improve.